Hello, hello, and good morning, my most amazing artists. This is Miss Rinko. This morning we are going to be drawing rainbow cupcakes. And we are going to start out by using either a pencil or a Sharpie if you prefer. I'm going to draw with Sharpie just so that you can see well. All right. And this is a fun short project. It's going to be a one-day project for us today. All right, we're going to start at the bottom-ish of our paper. Our paper should be either, well, actually, it could be both ways, I suppose. It could be up and down or sideways. That's something to think about. Which way do you think a cupcake should be? Should be on this paper. I'm going to keep going with this paper this way, but if you want to draw your cupcake on paper sideways, that's fine too. You might have room for more cupcakes then. But I'm going to draw one giant cupcake, and I'm going to start closer to the bottom, and I'm going to start with a straight line and then do a line that comes up and a line that comes up this way. And I kind of like to check with my fingers to make sure it's even by floating my finger over. So now I know that's about where the cupcake should start on this side. And I pull my line down. And I'm going to make a zigzag line, just like a cupcake wrapper. Alright, and then I'm going to draw a couple of lines down showing that wrapper. You know how cupcakes have those little pleats in them. And then we're going to get started on the icing. And the icing is what we're going to be coloring in rainbow order. Hopefully you know your rainbow order. If you follow the directions, you have already watched the Roy G. Biv video. So you know there's red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and we're going to skip indigo. We're going to go straight to purple. So how many layers of cupcake icing do we need? That's 6. Okay, so we're going to draw that. All right. You know, this sometimes gets tricky. So maybe this part I want to do it in pencil. Because everybody makes mistakes when they draw. All right. Let's see. I zoomed in just a little bit for you. We need 6 layers of icing. That's quite a bit. I'm going to start with the first layer. And do you see those 2 curved lines on the side? I hope you can. There we go. And now we're going to attach them. That's 1. We're going to do it again. 2. 3. Now the icing. Oh. Let's see if you can. Let me go over it with Sharpie so you can see this better. Now remember, when I trace, I am very fast when I trace because I have had a lot of practice. So you guys take your time. 3. And if you notice, the icing is starting to get a little bit smaller and thinner. So red, orange, yellow. This should be our green layer. The next one. Blue. Wow, this is a lot. This is a lot of icing, huh? And purple. And for the purple, I'm going to make it funny on top, just like it would on the top of a cupcake. And just for fun, if you want to, just like me, I'm going to add a cherry right on top. Okay. And this is how we draw our cupcake. Now, let's make it look like it's sitting on a table. If you want to make it look like it's sitting on a plate, you can just by going like this. You can decorate your plate. You can decorate your background. But the one thing I want to make sure that everybody does is color these in rainbow order. Let's go again. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple, or violet. Violet is the fancy word for purple. All right, boys and girls, that's how to draw a cupcake. Go ahead and color it in and have some fun decorating the table, the plate, the background, and even the cupcake. If you wanted to add some sprinkles, I think you could do that. All right, have fun time.